Exploring the command line, Linux versus Windows basics. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of command line interfaces. Whether you are managing a Linux server or troubleshooting a Windows PC, knowing core commands can be a game changer. Let's compare essential Linux and Windows commands side by side. File management keeps your digital disk clean. Imagine your computer as a filing cabinet. You need to list files, create folders, and move documents around. In Linux, you have to type ls to list files, while Windows use dir. Creating a folder in both systems, it's mkdir. Need to delete files? It's rm in Linux and del in Windows. Simple, right? Second one, system management. Who's the boss? To stay in control, you must know what's going on inside your machine. Need to know where you are. Linux says pwd. Windows just asks cd. Want system info? Linux uname spills at the techie details, while Windows prefer system info. Check active tasks. Use ps-aux in Linux or tasklist in Windows. Pro tip. Knowing how to terminate a misbehaving app using kill or task kill makes you the real boss. Third one, file viewing and editing. Looking inside the box. Ever wanted to peek inside a file without opening a heavy app? In Linux, say CAT or more. Windows likes type and more. Need to search for something specific? Linux's grep and Windows find have got you covered. Remember, mastering quick file editing with Nano, VAM or even Notepad can save lots of time. Fourth one, network management. Getting online. When the internet's down, what do? First check your IP address. ifconfig in Linux and ipconfig in Windows. Then ping a server using ping address on either platform. Want to see open connections? Use netstat. Linux's wget and Windows curl even let you download files straight from the command line. Fifth one, user and permission management. The gatekeepers. Managing users and permissions is like being a security guard. Need a new user? Use add user in Linux or net user or add in Windows. Change password, it's PASSWD versus net user. To set file permissions, Linux offers chmod, while Windows use ICA CLS. The takeaway. Security starts with command line control. Sixth one, archive and compression. Digital packing skills. Packing files efficiently is like traveling light. In Linux, create an archive with the tar cvf archive.tar file and extract with the tar xvf archive.tar. Windows users will need third-party tools like WinRAR or 7zip. But once you learn Linux archiving, you will never look back. Seventh one, scripting and automation. The magic band. Want to automate tasks like a tech wizard? In Linux, create scripts with any text editor and run them using /script.sh. Windows prefers .bat files. Need scheduled tasks? Use cron in Linux and sch tasks in Windows. Automation turns hours of work into a few keystrokes. And that's a wrap on basic Linux and Windows commands. Whether you are a system administrator, developer, or just curious, command line skills open up a world of possibilities. Master these commands and you will navigate the tech universe with confidence. Happy coding.